Well, despite the fact that I have a nasty man cold going on, there is some news that is just too good to wait till I get better to announce. Today, I'm talking about who won the beginner backpacking giveaway. Two weeks ago, I started a giveaway that wasn't aimed at getting more subscribers or more likes or comments or whatever. It had one goal and one goal only: to get somebody who either was new to backpacking or had never been backpacking backcountry forward. To get a backpacker backpacking, because that is what I'm all about. And I was astounded by the response. There was 24 different entries, over 500 votes. 500! That's insane! And some amazing contestants came forward. And I'm not going to prolong this video, mostly because it's cold and I'm sick, but also because I don't need to. But one thing I do need to tell you about that I'm super excited about is that in this giveaway, I was giving away a backpack, a tent, a sleeping bag, a sleeping quilt, 2 pillows, a sleeping pad, and a cook kit. But Kevin from Southwest Ohio Adventures reached out to me and made mention that I was missing one important piece, and that was hydration. It wasn't because I had forgotten it, it was simply because at some point the budget runs out. But Kevin has generously donated a SAWYER squeeze to the contest giveaway, so before I announce the winner, go check out Kevin's channel, Southwest Ohio Adventures. Show him some love for supporting the backcountry and getting a beginner backpacker out there. Before I say anything more, I need to give a huge shout out to our sponsors, the Big Blue Mountain, for giving away the Lazy Bear pillow and the Lazy Bear blanket. I can't wait to test this more and tell you guys what I think about it. As well as TREKOLOGY for donating one of their amazing inflatable pillows. And of course, Southwest Ohio Adventures. Thanks, Kevin, for keeping our backpackers hydrated on the trail. With over 500 votes cast in this giveaway, and let me tell you, I may have sprouted a few gray beard hairs in the anxiety of watching the different names go up and down. This contest really came down to 2 individuals. Thank you so much to John Kelly and Tia Leanne Jones for nominating both Ian Sarer and Gracie Jones respectively. In the end, I really wish I could help everyone and give everyone a chance to get backpacking, but I just can't. Only one person can win, although I might be able to help more people in the future. You never know. Stay tuned. In the end, the person who won with 48% of the votes and 219 votes in total was Gracie Jones. Gracie Jones was nominated by her mom, Tia Leanne Jones. Gracie is a 15-year-old who has taken on the ambitious goal for her SAE Wildlife Management course to go throughout the South Carolina state parks, documenting the different fauna and plants and animals and the biodiversity that's in that region. So Gracie, it is my pleasure to announce that you are the winner of this backpack full of backpacking gear that will keep you moving forward. I'm so inspired by your ambition at such a young age to get outdoors and become backcountry forward. Don't ever lose your desire for outdoors adventure, and no matter what, keep moving forward. I also want to give a huge shout out to the runner-up, Ian Sarer, who was nominated by John Kelly, aka JK is Hiking. Ian, I hope that you can get out there, have an amazing time. Congratulations on being a soon-to-be father. That's an adventure all in its own. And fortunately, I think you have a friend who knows a thing or two about backpacking, so maybe you'll still be able to get out there somehow, some way, but no matter what the case is, you keep moving forward too. You become backcountry forward. Keep your eyes on the channel, because who knows, maybe there'll be some way that I can help you in the future. I really do wish there was a way that I could help everyone who joined in on this competition and was nominated. There were so many great stories and so many inspiring individuals who are thinking and dreaming about becoming their own type of backcountry forward. And that's what this channel is all about, to get backpackers backpacking. Thank you so much to everyone who participated, and remember, no matter the case, keep moving forward.